Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you my kitchen. It's actually a gingerbread themed kitchen, and I will give you a tour of the entire floor in a separate video. So this is just about the gingerbread theme. Now look at these cookies. These cookies are so addictive. They're made by Little Debbie, and I was really looking forward to seeing these. Now they're seasonal, of course, and I thought I wasn't gonna find them because last year they were hard to find, but I have a whole bunch, and I've gone through a whole bunch. I also found the little brownie Christmas trees. These are delicious, and I have a whole bunch more here. I bought a few boxes. And I happen to have this dish, which is perfect for this theme. Look at that. I also found these napkins. Now, where did I buy these? I think I found them at the supermarket by accident. But they are just perfect for this theme. So, at my window here, this is where you can see all the gingerbread pieces. So I will show you up close so that you can enjoy. So this here is a ceramic salt and pepper shaker piece. The other one is on the other side, which I'll show you when I get there. So this one is ceramic. This piece here, the wreath, is from my favorite thrift store, as well as all of these. They look like real cookies. All of these pieces here I have found at different times at my favorite thrift store. So every time that I see one, I grab it. So I've been accumulating them, collecting them. This was from the Dollar Tree. I was glad to find such a big piece for just $1.25, and I think this was the perfect place for it at the window with the light shining right through. Look at these. Don't they look so real? This is from the thrift store. This little house. This is the other ceramic piece from the salt and pepper shaker set. This I've had for a very long time. Look at this. Some of my favorite pieces. I have another one right here. I also added, I added a snowman. This snowman could have been placed in my dining room because my dining room is a snowman theme. But since the snowman was holding gingerbread cookies, I was undecided. Do I use it in my dining room or do I use it here in my kitchen? So I brought it over for that reason right there. Then up here I have some snowflakes. Because of the color, they go so well with the cookies. Because of that color, I incorporated these into this display here. And then I have some more pieces up here. So yes, this is my gingerbread themed kitchen. So other than that, here on the counter, I also have some more to add to the theme. This one is not electrical. This is one of those that you can place a little candle inside, burn the candle inside of here. Look at that. So pretty. I also have this little recipe box that matches the theme. Look at this. From the thrift store. This one here is electrical. This one I think I bought at Target a while back. I think. I'm not sure because I don't always remember where I buy everything. Sometimes I forget. I mean, there's so many items, you forget where you buy them over time. But I love it. Now, I went to Burlington recently and I shared with you a video of everything that I bought. And one of the items that I bought was a box of these cards. Look at this. These were just perfect to place on the wall here of my kitchen. So I placed a few of them here all around the kitchen. All around. All the way to the other side. Look at these. And I still have a few more. Then I have these 10 gingerbread boxes that I bought at the Dollar Tree. I think it was last year that I bought them. Perfect for this theme. Look at that. And then I have another ceramic house here. This one was from my favorite thrift store. And I believe it was $3. It's a cookie jar. I should put some cookies in there. But then I'll probably forget that they're in there. You know what I'm saying? If I don't have them, you know, exposed like I do here, I'll probably forget that I have them in there. So let's just leave it at that. Well, I think that this is it. I think that I went over everything in my kitchen. I hope that you have enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.